Hello, my dear friends. Do you want to look 30 at 60? These simple anti-aging masks remove wrinkles, fade dark spots, and tighten the skin. Rice flour is rich in vitamins and minerals that brighten, smooth, and rejuvenate your skin. 1 teaspoon of rice flour. 1 egg white. Egg white tightens the skin and minimizes pores. Subscribe for more natural beauty secrets. Benefit. This mask lifts, smooths, and firms your skin, giving it a youthful glow. How to use. Apply evenly to clean skin on your face, neck, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize your skin afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week in the morning. Friends, write in the comments where you are watching from. Second recipe. 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Half teaspoon of gelatin powder. Gelatin boosts collagen and improves elasticity. Add a little warm water until you get a creamy texture. This mask tightens the skin, improves tone, and helps reduce sagging. How to use. Apply a thin layer to your face, neck, and décolleté. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes until slightly firm. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Apply moisturizer afterward. Use once or twice a week. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Third recipe. 1 teaspoon of rice flour. 1 egg yolk. The yolk nourishes and rejuvenates dry skin. This mask deeply moisturizes, restores elasticity, and makes your skin soft and smooth. How to use. Apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Subscribe for more anti-aging secrets. Fourth recipe. 1 teaspoon of rice flour. 1 teaspoon of freshly brewed coffee. Coffee tones the skin and reduces puffiness. This mask brightens dull skin and improves microcirculation for a natural glow. How to use. Apply evenly to your face and neck with gentle massage movements. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize your skin afterward. Use 2 times a week. Fifth recipe. 1 teaspoon of rice flour. 1 teaspoon of snail gel. Snail gel hydrates and repairs the skin barrier. This mask smooths wrinkles, fades dark spots, and restores elasticity. How to use. Apply evenly to your face, neck, and décolleté. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Apply your favorite cream afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Sixth recipe. 1 teaspoon of rice flour. 1 tablet of spirulina. Spirulina is rich in antioxidants that detoxify and rejuvenate the skin. Add a little water to form a creamy paste. This mask deeply nourishes, brightens, and tones the skin. How to use. Apply a thin layer to your face, neck, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.